have a small eyes, and she have a nose pink, and this is a small bunny.
Wait.
Okay, this a princess. This have a crown. Me is princess, and this is princess too. And this there a crown like a violet, like a Sophia. She have a violet. This the baby bear is hugging the heart. And this she have a this airplane. This a horse, red horse. Oh, I look a horse, red. Nothing. This a cat. They're a big tail. And this a rainbow bear. So baby. And this this a bear pink. This hugging the heart like this. Hugging. What's that? This one like this. You see? Hugging the heart. This a cat. She have a cute eyes, and she have a tail. She have a smile. It's so cute. And this is yellow and green. It's so. This nose is brown and the eyes is black. Does she have a sweet?